happy Vlogmas day 3. Today is Tuesday, and Tuesdays are normally film days, so my production assistant Sam is on her way now. You might know who Sam is, some of you may not. Sam helps me with literally everything. She is here when I film, she helps me edit, she helps me with so much. I don't even know how I did this without her before, and I honestly don't want to remember those days. So I am currently fueling myself with some coffee. The plan is to try to get 2 videos done today, which we can normally do without a problem, but the second video that we're filming is a branded deal, so there's a little bit more that's involved in it. So I think we might be filming today and tomorrow this week, which we'll kind of look into and see like how we're feeling and how the day goes. But I'm excited to get some work done. I love film days because we just get so much accomplished to help us go out through the week and just having stuff for you guys. So let's get some work done. Is it like that video? We were like sitting at my vanity and we talked to camera from the vanity.
I like that. Kind of like your vanity tour.
Yeah.
I love that.
That would be interesting. I think it would have to be 5 though.
5 ways.
We're not gonna come up with 7.
Yeah.
Let's do 5 self-love.
I think it would be too long if we did 7.
Yeah, and it's just like a little excessive with 7. I think 5 is perfect for that.
Keeping it really casual and like, again, kind of like that Vogue style.
Yeah.
Where we're like watching you get ready.
But talking to camera.
Right.
And like talking
I
to
have
camera.
water here while I'm getting ready
because I'm gonna take these.
to stay hydrated.
Yeah. Another good day, love you. Goodbye. Bye. Yay, filming session complete. It feels good to just mark completed on the to-do list. And I felt really passionate about the video today and what we were talking about. So I think you guys will really like that video. It's gonna come soon. It's gonna be a self-love Sunday video. Self-love Sundays are my favorite videos to film. If you guys didn't know, on every Sunday I post self-love Sunday videos, all content about like self-love and how to live your best life and all that good stuff. So definitely check that out. Now it is time for me to put some food in my belly. This situation is hungry, so I'm gonna go to a market that I really like to go get some comida. Good evening. I have been picking up the house a bit. I had a bunch of clothes to put away, so I just finished doing that. The house feels nice, fresh, clean, and lovely. There's candles going, it smells good. I opened up windows to let some fresh air in, and the house just feels really nice. I have the heater on because it's kind of cold for, you know, it's LA cold. And my friend Raya is gonna come over now. It's gonna be so nice to have her over. We're gonna make a minestrone soup and some artichoke. We wanted to cook together. So I got all the supplies. I'm gonna start the artichoke, I think, here soon, because the artichoke takes about 40 minutes, but I think the soup is gonna take about 50. So maybe I'll just put them in at the same time. Raya is here.
Hello. Oh, you're so short.
I know.
Hi guys.
This is Raya. You guys have met Raya before.
Yeah.
Go back and watch our Montana vlog. Yeah. The minestrone, I was talking to them about the minestrone before, is looking good. I just kind of went with it. I don't know if I did it right, but let's
Smells good.
go. It tastes like minestrone. Look how foggy it just got. The artichoke is an interesting situation. I pride myself on how I do artichoke. It's usually quite good.
It'll be good.
It'll be good. It'll be good. It's a little bit different. I got my artichokes from Whole Foods this time instead of Trader Joe's, and Trader Joe's does super small artichoke, so it cooks up super quick. This one's like a bigger artichoke, which I like. Now I know to always get my artichoke from Whole Foods, but it's just a little different. It's a little different. We're gonna see how it goes. Raya was the sweetest in the world and brought me an early Christmas present, and I kind of already saw what it is inside, and I got excited, and I was like, I need to show them. First of all, can we all just take a moment and appreciate pumpkin spice caramel?
You're not ready.
God, I'm so excited. Hold on. Okay, you do it. Okay. I hope you guys are okay. Hold on. Wow. Welcome back.
Okay, it's a real taste test.
This is real taste test. Okay. Testing Christmas candy. Actually, like fall.
It's
this
fall,
kind of fall.
yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I know. I have one every day after dinner. It's the best thing.
Oh my gosh.
Ever.
Oh my god.
It's got like the kick of pumpkin spice.
Yeah, it's so good. This is like, I have been thinking about chocolate for like a week. I don't know why I haven't just, I don't have chocolate in the house, so I just like haven't, you know.
Now you do.
Yay, this is so good, thank you. And then also, to eat one. You have one every night after dinner. This is your dinner. How freaking cute are these? Alex and I always do like matching mugs. We have like the black and white ones over there. So I got myself a C. Thank you, Raya. And then Alex has, oh my god, these are so cute. Alex has an A. He's gonna love it so much. They're like, they're kind of Christmassy, but also like not fully.
Not in your face, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
They are so cute. Cause
it's basically just the candy cane.
Yeah.
It's like Christmassy.
They're Christmassy, but you can totally use these all year long because they're like Christmassy, but also just cute little floral. I love like that. Yeah, what is that?
Ornament.
This is too cute, Raya. Oh my gosh, we have ornaments with our monogram.
And they're the perfect size. I love like big.
Oh
tea.
yeah. This is so cute. Thank you. What a lovely day and evening. I was just cuddling with Lanka's toy lamb chop. It's so soft. I was cuddling with it the whole time I was talking to Raya. I just realized it's just so soft. I just want to like pet it. Today was such a great day. I got to see Sam and Raya, two people that I love very, very much, that fill my heart up. I always have the best conversations with Raya, so we just like chatted all night. It is currently 12:30 a.m., which if you know me, that is way past my bedtime. So I am going to take a bath now. I'm gonna read a little bit to help me fall asleep a little bit better because I feel like I have a lot of energy right now, which is kind of odd for me at this time of night, but tonight was just really nice to cook at home and have a friend over, and earlier in the day was so nice to have Sam over and get some work done and spend time with her too. So it's been a really beautiful, long, fulfilling day. So I'm going to bed as a happy girl tonight. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys very soon in a new video. Bye.